In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add and customize forms on your website. Forms are a crucial tool for gathering information, engaging with your audience, and more. So let's dive right into the details and get you up to speed. To begin, you'll want to open up your website editor. Once there, look for the Add Elements option, represented by a plus icon. Clicking on this will unveil a menu with various elements that you can add to your page. Now, focus your attention on the Contact and Forms section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll be given two choices. You can either create a new form from scratch or select one from the pre-made forms section. For today, let's go ahead and click Create New Form. Drag this form element directly onto your page. It's worth noting that if you're in a hurry or need some inspiration, the pre-made forms can be a great starting point, offering professionally designed templates that you can easily customize later. So with your form element now on the page, let's move on to displaying it effectively. Here's a handy tip. If you'd like your form to appear on every page of your site, you simply right-click on the form you've added and select Show on All Pages. This is a fantastic way to ensure that your form is visible site-wide without having to manually add it to each page individually. Of course, if later on you decide that you no longer need it on all pages, disabling this option is a breeze and will automatically remove the form from other pages. Once your form is in place, it's time to add your form fields. These are essential as they determine the kind of data you're looking to collect, whether that's names, email addresses, or specific inquiries. Begin by clicking on the form within your editor. Then, click on Edit Form to launch into the Form Builder interface. Here you can manage your form fields, whether you want to add new ones, modify existing ones, or remove any that are no longer necessary. The process is intuitive and allows for complete customization to meet your evolving needs. Finally, the crucial step is to edit your form's settings and save your work. Settings allow you to configure aspects such as notification preferences, data submission options, and so on, ensuring the form behaves exactly how you need it to. Click on your form again in the editor and choose the next steps based on your requirements. Whether it's adjusting confirmation messages or setting up automatic responses, these options enhance user experience and ensure smooth communication. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional form on your website, tailored to your specifications. Take the time to review your settings and save your adjustments, and you'll have a powerful tool to connect with your audience effectively.